last question because I don't see more new questions on the board. This is about non-so-favorable situations and possible outcomes. So if the person remains optimistic, regardless of the outcome of the situation the person is going through, is he going to be rewarded even when the outcome is not favorable to him, even if the outcome is so-called bad? Is he going to be rewarded for remaining optimistic the whole time?
So optimistic is just continuation of what we said yesterday, right? Optimistic in a sense that somebody left. In a sense that he understands Hashem is running the world, and he's going to do whatever needs to be done. That's it. So I'm not in charge. Hashem is in charge. So for this, a person would be rewarded greatly. And sometimes all of us lose a track, right? And me, like I had to do something, like in my house, like some fixing. I thought I'm going to finish like in 1 day and a half, and it took me like almost 2 months to do that. Right? I mean, 2 months. Of course, I cannot work every day. Like every day, I have certain hours like free that I can work on that. But instead of several hours, like maybe 1 day, it took me a few months. You understand? So, but every day I thought that today I'm going to finish, or half of it finish, and I did only like 3.5%. You understand? So, when per person, sometimes, of course, like let me just say an example. Sometimes person gets into their head that it's the things are up to them because I'm going to work harder or I'm going to sleep less. On this, they think it's going to things physical are going to improve. It's not going to improve. Maybe yes, maybe no. Right, but if you go through the troubles, it's like Hashem, you're in charge. I'm doing my shtaddus, but I remember always that results is up to you. How many times I'm going to try, how hard I'm going to try to go to right the direction is up to me 100%. Nobody can stand in my way on one hand. On the other hand, the results it's up to you. You understand? So that's the thing. So, and if you have this, it's called Bitachon. In Hashem said, it says clearly, he's not going to let this person down ever. You understand? So if you try to go to this route, and Hashem failed you, right? Failed the situation for whatever reason, he knows better. So, and you continue doing whatever you need to do. So that means that you have Bitachon in Hashem. That's it. That's believe in Hashem, trust in Hashem, and that's he said, I'm going to reward you for sure because you believed in me, you depended on me. I'm going to reward you. Try to depend on another person. Guess what? He's going to let you down. When? Very soon, in the first opportunity. Right. So. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi. So is it okay if having bitachon and having in mind that whatever happens is for our best interest and that Hashem is always going to do the best?
Yeah.
Is it okay we sort of tilt our hopes a little bit to the favorable side of the outcome? Let's say, okay, whatever Hashem decides is the best for me, but anyways, I still kind of think that it would be better for me this or that. But is that okay?
No. Hashem, you see, he keeps in mind the whole picture. We don't. So just because it is good, it seems the thing good for us does not mean it's going to be good. Like this example that I gave yesterday in Kitzur, right? In Hatov Hametiv, blessing, right? When person finds a article on the street, right, and in this country, in this society, when king can come and take away the article, if somebody is not going to give it to a king, he's fine. So he's going to get killed or punished, severely punished, let's say, right? So he still says the blessing, even though it's going to be end bad, right? On one hand. On another hand, that's what we do. We don't go try to predict the whole future. You do what it's up to you right now. Up to you, like in this situation, that's the right course of action to do like this. That's it. You just do what you do. Hashem decided this, whatever you did faithfully fail. Okay, it means that it failed. So what do? You continue doing. Until when? Until you succeed, or Hashem shows clearly that's not the right way. You have to go different route. Like Rivka, right? So Rivka, like Emunah, so she was in Yitzchak arena. So they were praying for 10 years. Such a you think that they needed to read the books about Kavanah, how to pray properly? I don't think so. You understand? They pray for 10 years, and for 10 years they did not have children. Guess what? And it's not because they were not righteous, because Hashem decided for whatever reason for them not to have children for the first 10 years. That's it. That's so just because Hashem is not going according to our opinions, right, and according to our music, He is not dancing our music, does not mean that we are wrong or we do something wrong. You understand? So He has His own timing, and it's going to happen when it's going to happen. Okay. What else?
Thank you very, very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.